Roots sink deep in a whitewashed street. Wind cuts sharp, but I feel your heat. Streetlights shake like they know my name. Snow keeps falling, but I walk the same. Every breath's a cloud, every step's a vow. World's gone quiet, it's just us now. They say turn back, say it's not worth the fight, but they don't hear your voice in the middle of the night. I walk all night through a snow-blind storm, frozen hands just to keep you warm. Every mile, every scar, every flake that flies, I chase your love through the darkened sky. Let the cold try to tear me in two, I'll make it through, just to be with you. North wind howls like it's staring me. White out walls where the road should be. Heartbeat drums in a steady rhyme, counting your steps instead of time. If I fall, I get up again. Love's my compass, not where I've been. Tracks disappear, but I know the way. Your name's the fire that won't fade. I walk all night through a snow-blind storm. Ice in my veins, but my soul stays warm. Every mile, every scar, every flake that flies, I chase your love through the darkened sky. Let the cold try to tear me in two, I'll make it through, just to be with you. If the blizzard steals the stars above, still see you in the dark, my love. When the night feels endless, cruel and slow, you're the only truth I know. Oh, hear my boots on the frozen ground. Oh, your heart beats the only sound. I walk all night till the morning breaks, through white-out fears and frozen mistakes. If the world goes numb and the sky turns blue, I still burn bright just for you. No road too long, no storm too cruel. I walk forever, I walk forever, just to be with you. Snow can fall, let the night pursue. I'll always walk back to you.